So as you can see, the bottom's pretty flat here. A couple little ripples of on the bottom there, but overall it's a flat bottom. There's not much going on. You'll see as soon as we run over it, it's going to be super drastic. That's how I knew it was there. There it is, right there. I've been driving for miles and there was nothing out here. I knew there was a wreck here based on just some old stuff I looked up and cross-referenced with an app I have, but that's the wreck.